Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, ringtone and vibrate, ringtone. Here you can select one of the pre-installed ringtones, you can select none of the ringtones, or you can just add your own ringtone by selecting it from the YouTube music. Okay, maybe, but I don't have YouTube music account, so unfortunately I will have to select one of the pre-installed ones, and I have no internet connection. So let's select just one of these ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. They're so quiet. Let's try one more time. Hope you can hear them, because like it's hard for me to hear them. They're so quiet. Okay, let it be this one. So that's how you can change ringtones. Like you can change ringtone for scene 1, for scene 2. Just select the ringtone which you want, or just add your own, and that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.